So we're in Kosti, the town that owes its name to a Greek merchant who came here in 1899 and started trading here, and then the whole town developed following his trade. From here you can go to South Sudan either by road, which becomes more and more popular, or by boat. These two are the only two operational boats to go to Malakan in South Sudan and Jubba. The rest of the boats that you see around are actually not operational anymore. The frequency, even this one that is in front of me, the frequency is irregular. Sometimes it's once a month or less frequent. It's really when clients exist and luggage or cargo. Many times the way to go is by cargo. It's extremely difficult to make this video. You can't see it, but we had to talk sweetly this army officer there who let us do the video. Everything here is considered strategic. There's a lot of army, a lot of government, and they're completely allergic to cameras.